Good morning, everyone. It's time for last week's Energy Today. The week of July 28th was really marked by several notable developments in the oil and gas industry, both on a global and U.S. perspective. To go ahead and rip the Band-Aid off from a global level, obviously the biggest news was that OPEC continued to add more barrels to the market, the global market. This is no surprise, ladies and gentlemen. Keep in mind, almost 6 months ago now, they said that over the next 18 to 20 months, they were going to add a total of 2 million barrels onto the market. So no change there. From a U.S. side, guys, ladies and gentlemen, good, bad, or indifferent, President Trump and his team continue to emphasize energy dominance with actions aimed at streaming energy production and reducing those regulatory barriers. I'm sure you saw Chris Wright and Lee Zeldin together talking about what they're going to do. The methane is huge. Also, hey, the U.S. crude oil production, we hit a record high in May of 2025. Why are we getting May's results back? Is because it does take us usually 30 to 60 days to get back a full month's information. I've got a lot of investors like that in our oil and gas projects that they're actually not even paid up. They're not paid for about 60 days, so they're always paid 60 days in the rear, so to speak. But anyway, that's just kind of random on why we're getting May's numbers right now. Also, guys, that U.S. Energy Council definitely recommended, this is huge, oil benchmarks with the Midland West Texas Intermediate, the WTI. Guys, they want to bolster the U.S. dollar against that to really continue to make the U.S. dollar more powerful and strengthen it. I'm sure you've heard me and others say the petrodollar, they want to strengthen that. That is so huge. Chevron reported, totally random, but kind of just keeping with the scheme of things. Chevron reported strong second quarter earnings. This is just off of them picking up Hess, so shout out to them. Other than that, here at Pecos, we're having some great times getting ready to drill in the month of September. Looking forward to some new episodes of the Crude Truth coming out. Had a great one with a wonderful tax aficionado, somebody that really looks at the future of your taxes, a tax strategist, so to speak. Also got an interview coming out with the great Carr Ingham of the Texas Alliance of Energy Producers. We're going to break down that methane reversal. Also, we're going to break down some great things that are happening here in Texas that are only going to allow Texas drillers to continue to produce more oil. For more info, stay in touch. And also, if you got any questions, please reach out.